Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Danscomp, and let's get started.
Yeah, dog.
Oh my god.
Machete power.
In my mouth. Stay back, don't want them to see the merchandise.
Oh, God, no. I think they already saw the famous brown paper.
Okay.
Look at all that brown paper.
Just what I wanted. For fucking nothing.
Alright, back up, bro. Okay, so this is my sweatshirt that I got. Let me open it for you. It's pretty cool. It is a Danscomp basic zip-up hoodie in large, and it's blue. I thought it was pretty cool, so I had to get it. Because, you know, I knew mine was going to get big old holes in it, so I thought to myself, I will just get a whole other one. Because my other one, sitting there on the freaking chair, is all got holes in it. No, not
Happy. How about that?
now, aren't we? There you go.
Plain
If that looks
Vans.
sexy or not, it's sexy. Good. Point taken. Alright, and then this is a Colt the Heart pivotal seat
Which is fucking amazing.
in surprise pasta.
Yep, dog.
Pull that out for you.
Rip the cardboard.
No, I must save it for the homeless people.
Hey! No! No! That's my special blue cloth. Naughty
It's
cat.
special.
Yeah, whatever. I'll do it later. Whatever.
Damn cat.
See what we got here. $100 says it's pedals. What do you say?
Let me feel it. I don't know.
Let me see. I say pedals.
Okay, whatever you think.
Looky there, I was right with
Animal Hamilton PCs.
the animal sticker.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bud.
They're not like a normal red, they're clear.
Yeah.
I've heard they're pretty good, so. So,
I know.
I still know this shit.
I am the tiger. Don't judge me.
Yeah,
There's the
he's
animal
special.
I'm special, Larry.
There you go. I'll pull these suckers out. Oh, dude, these are freaking epic. Look at these things.
And then on the ends, they say Stevie Hamilton.
Yep. Stephen Hamilton.
Whatever.
It's close enough.
Don't judge me.
Are you playing with that brown paper, pookers?
Crazy ass cat.
Right on out here. Oh.
Okay.
Ugh. Shot a conspiracy trucker hat.
It's a Vans
Oh.
with shadow conspiracy hat. I thought it would look cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Let's put it on so everyone can see what it looks like.
The Vans X Shadow.
It's kind of small.
Still fits.
Yeah, it still fits, but it's really small.
Wait.
Okay, and then next. Come on.
Keep me going.
This is my order that none of you are gonna see because I don't want you to get myself
Oh, no.
and steal my ID. You freaks. That's a weird sticker. Look at that one.
Yeah, it is.
Just for the record, I didn't call anybody a prick. I called them prick-ups.
Yeah.
Like a pickup. This is the shirt that I'm gonna give to my friend that he's gonna buy me something from a store at school for food. That's for him.
Because you already have like 5 of them.
Yep. And then this is a Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat in white.
Seat post.
Seat post. I don't care what anybody says. All you haters out there, screw you.
This is my life, not yours, you stupid haters.
Dude, that's freaking cool. It's really lightweight too.
Cat's crazy.
Oh yeah, I know. I have to live with that cat. And then here's my black and red Vans belt.
Oh!
You're on my foot, kitty! All you see is a freaking tail.
No.
It scares me sometimes.
Moving on.
A replacement integrated seat post clamp.
Bolt.
It's a bolt for a clamp.
So? Don't judge me.
Have you ever seen a grown
Just move on.
Ever seen a grown man's penis? No? You want to?
No.
Are you sure?
No thanks. I have my own.
And then here is some gold mission alloy valve caps. Pretty sick looking.
What do we have here? A coat for tension. Yippee!
They are epically awesome.
Yep. And then this looks like stolen revolver bottom bracket kit
Pretty sexy.
in green. Because I actually ordered them in yellow, but you know, they gave me in green, so
No big deal.
And then this junk I'm not even going to pull out of the package.
Hey, boop.
And for the grand finale.
Oh. There was much.
Oh wait, no wait. There's more. Holy shit. There could be an explosion.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Just stab it and slice.
Here we go.
This is Sparta! Zach's coming. Don't even answer the door. He's a loser. Still standing at the door. Open the door, tell him to screw off, and then wait, and then
Whatever. Screw off.
Dude, leave.
No. Whatever. He can be here.
Too late. Oh, he's still there. Standing at the door.
You can come in, you dick wipe.
He wants his hat.
You come in.
He can come in.
Come on, dill hole.
Oh, don't say anything.
It's gonna take a freaking hour to open.
Yeah, because you think it's so freaking hard. Hard. Like a penis. Get it, boy?
Dude, just jab it in and just rip.
I don't want to break the stick.
She does.
It's for charity.
Don't be a penis.
It's for charity.
Okay. Look at those beautiful ass white wall tires.
Oh, God.
They're fucking sexy.
Stolen revolver. This looks like front rim.
No, really. Let's ask our fellow retard what he thinks.
Great. Shut up.
He knows how to talk.
Oh my God. Get the camera, honey.
This is amazing.
And this is obviously another front wheel. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's what you brought.
No.
Front wheels. Sorry, YouTuber fans, but I don't have any editing, so this might, be a little bit. I don't care if you really skip by this part, but it's your choice.
We're at 10 minutes already.
For 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Play with that, Spooky. So what, maybe we'll get lucky with YouTube and maybe they might let us do it.
They will.
Yeah.
Or else I'll have to kill them with my penis.
He said penis.
There's my baby. Let go. You're not loved. This is the stolen revolver.
Rear wheel.
Rear wheel, yep.
Cassette.
That's it.
Right hand drive. Should get a left. 9-teeth driver.
Yep.
White wall rim. And they're not the HPs or something.
No, they're not the HPs. They're called OEs. They only go to 55 to 65 psi.
Which is kind of gay.
Yeah, I was hoping for the
80 to 110.
And then this looks like some
Mission transit. I have a mission process, and they're really nice.
Here is one of them. This looks like the left side, right there.
Yeah, it's so cold that we just got it out from outside. It's all snowy out there.
Yeah,
So
quite cold. Not very enjoyable.
we just build our bikes in the winter and ride them in the summer.
Yeah, we just build them up and make them sexy.
But right now we're building another bike, so.
Yeah, this is my Rasta bike. It's one Vendetta in black. And here's the spindle.
Who cares? It's just a spindle.
I don't want to take it out.
And look, more brown paper.
Oh my god! Looks like it's it. So, thanks for watching and have a nice day.